Hello, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create favicon or icon bookmarks versus ones kind of like what you see on my screen right now, where it has the text and the icon. So this is really helpful if you want to create a more visual bookmarks bar on your browser, or if you want to be able to see more bookmarks because the text does take up the limited real estate that you have here on your browser. So to do this, if I want to make a bookmark for this page, I have a couple of ways that I can do this. First, I need to make a bookmark. So I can do the quick way, which is just to click the star here in my URL bar across the top and then add bookmark. The other way that I think a lot of people are more familiar with is if you click the three dot button in the top right corner, there's bookmarks. It's actually how you can access all your other bookmarks, like the lots of them that I have. And then you would just click bookmark this tab, which is also a keyboard shortcut, which is Control D. So you technically have three ways you can do this. All right, so I'm gonna click the star way and add bookmark. All right, and what I'm going to do is instead of leaving the name here, I'm actually going to delete all of the text on the name. And what I'm going to do is just leave it as that. I can actually put it in a folder if I want to. I don't necessarily have to, but if I wanted to bookmark this, that's the process that I would follow. All right, and I can put it there. Right, and put it in any folders if I want. If I want to edit, I have a lot of bookmarks on here, so that's why you don't see it right away. It's actually kind of hidden. But if I have even more bookmarks that I want to edit right here, I can just click edit. And what I can do is delete the text there for that one and click save. And now I just have a Google Doc icon there. So I could repeat that for all of the different ones that I need to so that I have lots more bookmarks than just the few that are here. So that's just a really quick way to make your bookmark bar across your banner here a little bit more visual if you prefer that, or if you have a lot of bookmarks that you like to use. So just deleting the text from it makes it an icon. If you have any questions, let us know.